Hello students, how are you doing? I hope you are all doing good. This is my third video of this chapter naming our body. So in the previous two videos, I had gone through the entire chapter and summed up. In my third video, I will discuss question answers, MCQs and so on. So coming to MCQ portion. First question says, we do all fill in the blanks using our body. यहाँ पे तीन ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं. पहला ऑप्शन है मैनर्स, बी डिड्स और तीसरा एक्टिविटीज. तो हमारा तीसरा ऑप्शन करेक्ट है, एक्टिविटीज. दूसरा क्वेश्चन है आवर बॉडी हैज मेनी ब्लैंक पार्ट्स. सो आवर बॉडी हैज मेनी एक्सटर्नल पार्ट्स. सो आंसर वुड बी एक्सटर्नल. थर्ड, आवर ब्लैंक प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम डर्ट, डस्ट, फ्लाइज एंड मॉस्किटोज. सो आंसर वुड बी स्किन. Fourth, all the places that bend in our body are called, so these are called joints, right? Now we eat, drink and speak with our blank. Here three options are given, of which first option, mouth, will be the correct answer. Moving forward, section B, true false. So many statements are given here. Some statement is true and some statement are false. Okay, you need to find it out which statement is true and which statement is false. So first statement is tongue helps us to make sounds. Correct? Answer would be correct. Play and exercise regularly help us to grow. This sentence is also correct. So the answer is correct, true. We should brush our teeth 4 times a day. This answer or this line is not correct. So here not correct. We should only brush twice a day. Rinse your mouth well after every meal. This sentence is correct. We should sprinkle and wash our eyes with hot water. This one is not correct. Okay, so why? We should always wash our eyes with cold water, not with hot water. So this line is not correct. Now coming to C section, fill in the blanks. Some parts of our body are located inside. Our skin is an external part of our body. We perform different work using hands, legs, nose, mouth and shoulders. Fourth, bending makes movement possible. Nose tells us whether the smell is good or bad. Okay, out of these two options you have to find out the correct option. So nose tells us whether the smell is good or bad. Tongue does not tell us whether the smell is good or bad, because tongue help us to taste food. Okay, now coming to question answers. D question is, first question is what are organs. So I have written down question answers on a piece of paper. Okay, this will help you out. You need to go through it. Okay, so first question is what are organs. See the answer. Our body is made up of many parts, so these parts are known as organs. Okay, now coming to second question, what is the coat of our body. So the answer would be skin. Skin is the coat of our body. Coming to third question, what are joints. See, the answer is those places which bend in our body are called joints. Now question 4, which is the longest and strongest bone of human body. Answer would be femur. So femur is the longest and strongest bone of human body. Fifth, write the name of 5 sense organs. So eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Coming to E section. Again, question answers. First question, what are external body parts? So see, external body parts are located outside the body. Second question, what is body movement? So we all do different work every day. It is done by different body parts such as hands, legs, nose and mouth. Such activity is known as body movement. Coming to third question, write the use of shoulders. Okay, so our shoulders help us to carry goods. While pushing and pulling anything, we take the help of shoulders. Coming to fourth question, what are sense organs? So sense organs help our body while seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting and feeling. Now last question of this section E, how do we care for our body? Answer would be, we should eat clean and wait for a while. We should eat clean and fresh food. Okay, means we should eat clean and fresh food every day. Besides that, we should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. यानी कि हमें हर दिन साफ सुथरा खाना खाना चाहिए और जो भी खाना हो वो ताज़ा हो. उसके साथ साथ हमें हर दिन 6 से 8 ग्लास पानी का पीना चाहिए. इससे हम अपने शरीर को स्वस्थ रख सकते हैं. तो यह हमारा चैप्टर, जो फर्स्ट चैप्टर था, यह हमारा चैप्टर सम अप हुआ. ओके, मैंने इस चैप्टर को कंक्लूड कर दिया विथ क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. मैं आशा करता हूँ कि ये क्वेश्चन आंसर्स और ये चैप्टर्स आप लोग को बहुत अच्छी तरह से समझ में आए होंगे. सो दिस इज ऑल फॉर टुडे. हैव अ नाइस डे. गॉड ब्लेस यू.